This short video concentrates mainly on the camping side of Hamelin Bay. Just as well, as the day we arrived, it was cloudy and very windy. The ocean was choppy, so we didn't see any of the famous stingrays. Hamelin Bay Holiday Park is a privately operated and fully serviced caravan and camping area, which is close to the beach and shaded by spreading peppermints, and close to both Augusta and Margaret River tourist attractions. There are 95 powered sites and 25 unpowered sites in various sizes. Several large sites are suitable for caravans. There are also 21 on-site cabin cottage accommodations to choose from. The park is fully serviced, including a well-equipped camp kitchen and undercover area, which includes electric barbecues, gas hot plates and washing up sinks, plus a children's playground. The park also has 2 amenity blocks with lovely hot showers and laundries with washing machines and dryers. Their park welcomes many hundreds of travellers each year to experience the beauty of the bay. Popular for fishing, sighting stingrays within metres of the beach, bushwalks and just getting in touch with nature, and a good base for exploring the Lewin Naturalist National Park. Camping fees are very reasonable during the off-season for all you winter travellers. Hamelin Bay Holiday Park is a perfect base for exploring the delights of this incredible southwest region. Just Google Hamelin Bay Holiday Park for all the information you'll need. Very close by, you can visit the majestic Borenup Forest, Augusta, Margaret River, and the many local caves and an array of wineries, all within a short drive from Hamelin Bay. Hamelin Bay has an interesting history, especially around the jetty, which was built in 1882 to service the nearby milling town of Jarradine. However, the bay is open to the northwest and strong winds caused the loss of 5 vessels in 1900, including 3 in one storm on July 22, 1900. Hamelin Bay was abandoned as a timber port. A few years later, the jetty became derelict and was later burnt. There are 11 shipwrecks at Hamelin Bay, 4 of which are visible from the coast at times and accessible by snorkel and scuba diving in good weather.